talk to him, please? We'll stand back and let you talk to him. We want to let your family know that you're here, because they never knew what happened to you. That's very upsetting. I'm sorry. I know how worried they were. Why you never came home. They figured what happened, but they didn't know for sure. I just feel like he's pacing out here. Pacing. Did you guys pick up anything when you did your investigation out here? Any energy?
We didn't really focus outside a whole lot.
Okay.
Did you fight for the Confederacy?
You want to tell her?
Not yet.
Can you answer the question? Were you with Confederacy? Did you wear the gray? Did you wear the blue? Are you going to talk to us? This energy is very scared. Okay, you don't have to talk to us. You don't talk to anyone. Do you feel him? You got a cold area over here? He's worried because his family doesn't know what happened to him. Oh, he's really upset. Oh. I walked right into his energy when I first came up. Now he's being invasive. You know you're around this tree. Why did you want to desert? Why? You've got some very evasive energies here, Elena. Are you okay? Can you tell us your name? Jimmy, are you here? Edna, can you stand on this side of him? We're here to support you. You can tell us your story, it's okay. Oh, that's bothering me. It's okay. 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 Let go of it. Let go of it. It's gone. Let go of it. It's gone. Let go of it. It's over. Remember that it's over. You don't have to feel this way anymore. You don't have to feel this way anymore. I want you to let go of it. I want you to step outside of that pain. This happened a very, very, very long time ago. It's over. Your mom is waiting for you. Your mom is waiting for you. Do you see her? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Listen to me. It's all right. Let it go. It's okay. Can you let go of it, please? Let go. It's okay. We're here with you. Do you see your mom? Say hi to her. Say hi, Mom. Do you see her? Edna, can you help him?
Yeah. I think she's going over.
Give him some healing while the energy is with him. We're giving you healing for your suffering. Do you feel it? Do you feel it?
I think so. My throat is warming up. I think it's getting better.
Okay. Is it getting better? Your mom's here. Are you ready to go with her? This isn't your home. You don't want to stay here, okay? Can you let go of that and go with your mom, please?
Yeah.
We appreciate your service, sir. We appreciate your service to your country. We understand that you're not a quitter. We understand that you just wanted to go home. Do you feel better? Do you feel better? Do you feel better? He's gone? Do you feel better?
Yeah, I feel better.
Good. Oh boy.
Wow. I was watching the K2. It was like going crazy.
Are you good? Are you okay? Wiggle, shake it off. There's a lot more here than that. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to get him some water or something?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
We need to go in the backyard.
Whoa.
That's a first.
That was hard.
What?
To give Reiki on a spirit while it's channeling through someone.
Man.
That's a first.
It seems like it makes it better though.
Wow, that's kind of a unique. She's a Reiki master, which is an energy, a healing energy you can put through and help people. Usually if they're having like health issues or whatever. But to do it while the spirit was channeling through him was pretty cool. It seemed to let him,
Sounds like the spirit started warming up.
It started calming down. Yeah.